Because you can see the front of the car.
Can see the front?
Yeah.
This one landscape, this one portrait.
Ba't man hindi na magana yung rita sa right side?
Ah, wala dyan?
Wala dito.
Ah, nakasara. Tingnan mo.
Hindi.
Ay, hindi naka-arap siya.
Take the next right toward Olongapo, Bugalan Road, Zambles, Pangasinan Road, then turn right onto Olongapo, Bugalan Road.
Ha?
It's the road, not. It's not the. Why do you think it's a Olongapo? It's the road.
Is the road?
It's the road.
Uy, si attorney nandito.
Turn na alas.
Take the next right onto Olongapo, Bugalan Road, Zambles, Pangasinan Road.
Tama ba yun mo din? Pwede pa lang mag-ano eh.
No, we already.
Mag-record ng ano eh.
Where are you going?